Hello, Professor Rosemary here and welcome to my lab. Let's celebrate the Lunar New Year with some Drampa dragon cookies, just in time for the Year of the Dragon. In other languages, 华语叫龙饼，广东话叫龙饼. These delicate, butter cookie-like treats are also known as caterpillar cookies, though one name is clearly cooler than the other. During the festivities, you'd find a container of these in a titular red cover, alongside a slew of other festive treats. So without further ado, let's invite prosperity into our kitchens and let's get making! By the way, don't quote me on this, but I don't think there's actually a saying about dragon cookies bringing prosperity, so yeah. Quick, easy, foolproof. Let's go. The recipe starts by creaming together butter and icing sugar, followed by 1 egg yolk, some milk, added in 3 steps for complete incorporation, then cornstarch and milk powder, which I forgot to sieve, but no one needs to know that. For traditional dragon cookies, we'll be using an open star tip to pipe the dough into S shapes. You can also use a closed star tip for a more ruffled look. The cookies don't spread much, so they can be piped pretty close together. Breaking from tradition, I'm coloring some of the dough to be piped into parts of Drampa's head. I really love how the dough retains the fine ridges from the piping tip, though you do need to pull a regigigas and use crush grip, because the dough does take a bit of muscle to pipe. One other thing that's nice about this recipe is that it's pretty forgiving. Messed up a cookie? Just pick it off the baking sheet and try again. Wonky pipe job? Just wet your finger and adjust the shape. Alright, now we can bake them and complete our traditional dragon cookies by dotting on some red food coloring for the dragon's eyes. Okay, you know what? Screw dragon or caterpillar cookies. Y'all, with that, our derpy planarian cookies are done. So that's all for now. Subscribe for more Pokemon food, leave your suggestions in the comments, and from the lab to all of you, 新年快乐，龙华春暖。